Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want to take a few minutes here to help you with your bookmarks, as many of us seem overwhelmed and don't know how to more efficiently set up our bookmarks to improve our learning environment. So, what I want to do first is to show you how to bookmark. This may seem like a simple thing, but some of us may need a refresher on it. So, here's how you easily bookmark a page. All right, so I don't want to bookmark this individual document, but I want to bookmark, let's say, a page from Brightspace, one of my classes. So if I want to bookmark my World Studies B class, I'm going to go to that page. You'll have to go to it at least the first time. And this little icon here, this little star, is not blue. That tells me that it's not bookmarked. So I'm going to very simply click there, all right, and bookmark the page. Now, I have a whole bunch of folders set up. I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. What I want to do first and simply is to bookmark the page. I already have this set up in my BS or Brightspace folder. So I bookmarked it. The bookmark will show up on your bookmarks toolbar, and in this case for me, it shows up right here. It's very simple. Now, you may be looking at my bookmarks bar and see a whole bunch of things. To me, these icons, I know what they are. They're websites I use all the time. I'll show you how to do that here momentarily. I have quite a few folders set up as well. One for school with folders even inside of it. For books, for news, Brightspace, assignments. So we can put more into our bookmarks toolbar by going in and editing our bookmarks bar. And you do that by going to your three dots, Control for Google Chrome, and click on Bookmarks. Now, let's say you have a ton of bookmarks from when you were in the middle school and you want to get rid of them. All right, we can, if we want, we can go and we can right-click and go to Edit, and we can change the name. We actually can't delete it from here, though, but I can change the name. And so, let's do that real quick. So I'm going to go Bookmarks, and I'm going to go to that web page that I just bookmarked, my World Studies B course. Okay, I'm going to right-click on that. I'm going to edit. Here is where I could delete it if I wanted to. I'm going to edit, and I'm going to change this to WSB, for World Studies B, and save it. So when I go back to my Brightspace folder, it is now WSB. That'll clean up your toolbar and allow, or bookmarks bar, and allow you to get more stuff in there. Now, a quick way to mass edit or mass delete is to go to your Control, Google Chrome, Bookmarks, and Bookmark Manager. Now, here is where I see all of them. I've got three dots over here to the side. I can edit, delete. All right, so let's go and let's say I want to delete or edit. I'll edit this document. See how it says tests? So I can go here, I can edit that, and I can delete it and save. I can rename it. That's it. And I'm just going to rename it tests. All right. And again, here's Amazon. I know the Amazon logo. Everybody knows the Amazon logo. I'm going to click the three dots. I'm going to edit. And notice there is no name. Okay? If you leave it as no name, it's going to show you just the icon. Again, if you have multiple icons, you're going to want to name them and give them a short name. Okay? Now, how do I create a folder? Go up to the three dots. To organize, add a new folder. Okay? You'll add a new folder, and I will name this Croslex. Okay? And here is the new folder. I can drag anything I want to drag into that new folder. And I can delete that folder. This hopefully will allow you to become better organized, to clean up your bookmarks toolbar. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to delete that bookmark that I just created. And now it's gone. And when I go back, it's no longer there. Hopefully you have found this video helpful and it will make us more efficient.